previewing any of the pages inside Zenler. So inside Site Pages, you'll see that you have a preview button inside here. To preview any of the pages, simply click the eye icon here and preview the page. Please note you are previewing this page as admin, so if it is a hidden page or unpublished page, you will still be able to preview it. To fully test that your page is viewable by public, you need to make sure that you go into incognito in your browser and paste that page URL into the browser to see whether it is viewable or not. Remember, as admin, you have access to see everything, whether it is unpublished or published or visible for logged in or logged out users. But previewing your pages are really easy inside Zenler.